Look at this young gentleman sporting the latest gabardine attire for a modern sleek look. Spiffing! And the Royal Enfield's not bad either. Watch him go! It harkens back to our time of rebellious youth. The new Royal Enfield has all the mod cons too. Completely redesigned throughout and streamlined, incorporating many new features. Foot-operated 3-speed gearbox. Clutch running at engine speed, ensuring super light operation with maximum driving power. Even more efficient engine with detachable light alloy cylinder head and redesigned system of porting. Everything the modern motorcyclist needs.